So this look is like, we are not going overboard, but बहुत ज़्यादा subtle रखने वाली हूँ. I'm going to keep it very simple so that it just brightens up your face and you look glowy, nice and happy and fresh. And also it's Eid on Monday, so I thought why not do a makeup look so that you guys could actually wear it and you could just dance about, celebrate, and yeah, just be happy. And that's it guys, and now let's move into the tutorial. But before that, if you do not know me, this is Shani here and I make this type of content. So if you're interested in this, then please do click on the subscribe button down below and do turn on the notification bell so that you stay updated. And now let's cruise in. So I'm just going to pin them on. Cool. So they are pinned up, and now I am super ready to start with our makeup. I just want to look a little more brighter on the areas which should be bright. So I'm going to use my Faces Ultim Pro Blend Definitive Stick. And guys, I think अगर आपने makeup videos देख रहे हैं, so I've used this product so many times because actually I am not having any new product because I fall in red zone and nothing is delivered where like up tak to nahi, and I don't know for how long it's gonna happen, but it is the truth. So I am running out of makeup right now and जो है उसी से काम चलाओ. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply on areas which I want a little bit brighter. So I'm just gonna put it over here. These are my usual areas. I actually cover these areas up and a little bit over here. And other areas that I want to conceal. It's pretty much a lot of areas. So I'm done with my concealing part, and the next thing that I'm going to do is use my foundation, which is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. So this one is really nice. It's super blendable. Plus it has medium coverage, so I like it. So I'm just gonna shake it. Okay, I got it. Okay, it's coming out. This is enough, I guess so.
The next step is to apply the Maybelline Reface Studio powder. So I'm applying this guys so that मेरा makeup अगर sweat भी करे so it does not develop crease lines. I want my makeup to stay right over there where it is, and it's already so hot, so obviously sweat is gonna be there. So just make sure you apply the powder. And next I am going to use the Manish Malhotra eye palette. So this one was a gift on my birthday from my friends. So I like this palette. So it has 4 different colors, and I'm going to use the most basic one. So I'm going to use the normal nude brown color, and मैं उसे अपनी पूरी eyelids पे लगाऊंगी, under the eyes लगाऊंगी, so that my eyes are shaped beautifully and the color reflects on my eyes. Next I am going to apply blush, and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. I'm going to apply it on my nose, so I'm just gonna apply a lot of blush onto my cheeks. And also guys, आज मैं bronzer नहीं लगा रही हूँ because I just want to keep my makeup very neutral and natural, so I just don't want to use the bronzer today. And then I am moving on to applying my highlighter. I love applying highlighter guys. So this one is from Wet n Wild, so मैं बहुत अच्छे से लगा रही हूँ because I love it, and it is not very cakey, so ये आपके skin पे बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगता है. It just looks perfect and natural, so I'm applying it. I'm covering all the areas, T-zones, above my lips, everywhere. Now it's almost the last step guys, and I am using a lip color from Color Bar which is named Gingerbread, and इसके ऊपर मैं Faces Canada का भी lip color लगाऊंगी. This one is a matte lip color, so it's just to give some nude color to my lipstick, and yeah, just matte, so it's natural. You can see कितना beautiful shade निकल के आया है, so I just kind of like it. And there is one last thing which is left, and that is mascara. मैंने अपनी eyes पे सिर्फ eye shadow लगाया है and nothing else, so it's very important I apply mascara on it. So make sure you guys apply mascara, and that's it. This is the final look. So I hope you guys would have enjoyed it, and a very happy Eid to everyone who is celebrating, and I hope you guys recreate this look. If you do guys, so please send me your pictures on my Instagram handle, और अगर similar look भी create करते हो, so please send me your pictures. I would love to see that. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video tutorial. I hope you guys are present over there. Until then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye guys.